Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air 3 Pro. You have to start by open SOUNDPEATS application. After that, if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have, this one. Then you click at the three lines at the left top. And right here we have upgrade firmware. Firmware is the same as software, so you tap on it and they check for updates, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, at the bottom you will see a button with download, and you just tap on it and wait until this update is finished. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!